So welcome friends, and so are you facing difficulty in finding the opportunity on YouTube for affiliate marketing? If so, here is the 5 biggest opportunity on YouTube that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. So number 1 is physical products. You can review the products from Amazon, eBay or any other online stores, and you can earn a hefty commission from that, especially in a specific product like cameras, Canon 80D, example for other things, any physical product you can promote. Number 2 is software. You can promote software from ClickBank, from Zebizu, from whatever you have like Camtasia. If you are having Camtasia or ScreenFlow, you can promote those software also, and you can get the commission from there. Number 3 are services. You can sell the services of other people also. Like if somebody is providing a website designing or providing us ads, so you can bring the online people and generate commission from that sales also. Number 4th are the info products. Info products are the you can sell info products where you can get a very good info products are basically online education products. There are lots of online education products on internet, so you can sell and earn a good commissions. And number 5th are events. You can promote events and you can get a commission on events also through YouTube. Like you can promote any exhibitions, you can promote any conventions which is going to held in your town or in your city. So that are the 5 opportunities that exist on YouTube which you can promote for affiliate marketing. So here I also want to give you 6 reviews or 6 types of video that you can promote on YouTube, like a specific product review. Suppose you have purchased something and you want to review it, so you can review that products. Number 2 is general review. General review means that top 5 cameras in premium segments, in 5 top mobile phones in mid segments. So you can promote the general category reviews. Number 3 is the product tutorials. You may have a very good, might be having a very good knowledge of few products which you can share it with the world. That video is also very useful, and that will add value to the people who have purchased the product recently. Number 4 is the gift ideas video. You may have a very good gift ideas, a sense of having the gift ideas that you can share it with the world and add value to them. That will definitely help you to grow your channel. Number 5 is the video with an expert. So you can have an interview with expert who knows the subject very well, and you can tie up with him and you can share that on the YouTube. Interview with the product developer, one who has developed the product and you want to promote it. You can have an interview with him and you can review that video on YouTube. That will be helpful for the customers who have purchased that product, and definitely your YouTube channel will grow. Thank you. This I was having, this I did a research and I found that it will be useful for all of us. So I wanted to share with you. So just take care, and if you have some new idea, you can share it here in the link below so that I can also able to study about them. Thank you very much.